10 codes. 10.1 unable to copy, change location. 10.2 signal good. 10.3 stop transmitting. 10.4 acknowledgement. 10.5 relay. 10.6 busy and less urgent. 10.7 out of service. 10.8 in service. 10.9 repeat. 10.10 fight in progress. 10.11 dog case. 10.12 standby. 10.13 weather road report. 10.14 prowler report. 10.15 civil disturbance. 10.16 domestic problem. 10.17 meet complainant. 10.18 quickly. 10.19 return to. 10.20 location. 10.21 call by phone. 10.22 quickly disregard. 10.23 arrive at scene. 10.24 assignment completed. 10.25 report in person. 10.26 detaining subject expedite. 10.27 driver license information. 10.28 vehicle registration information. 10.29 check for wanted. 10.30 unnecessary use of radio. 10.31 crime in progress. 10.32 man with gun. 10.33 emergency. 10.34 riot. 10.35 major crime alert. 10.36 correct time. 10.37 investigate suspicious vehicle. 10.38 stopping suspicious vehicle. 10.39 urgent use of light siren. 10.40 silent run, no light siren. 10.41 beginning tour of duty. 10.42 ending tour of duty. 10.43 information. 10.44 permission to leave for. 10.45 animal carcass at. 10.46 assist motorist. 10.47 emergency road repair at. 10.48 traffic standard repair at traffic light. 10.49 out at. 10.50 accident. 10.51 record needed. 10.52 ambulance needed. 10.53 road blocked at. 10.54 livestock on highway. 10.55 intoxicated driver. 10.56 intoxicated pedestrian. 10.57 hit and run. 10.58 direct traffic. 10.59 convoy or escort. 10.60 squad in vicinity. 10.61 personnel in area. 10.62 reply to message. 10.63 prepare make written copy. 10.64 message for local delivery. 10.65 net message assignment. 10.66 message cancellation. 10.67 clear for net message. 10.68 dispatch information. 10.69 message received. 10.70 fire alarm. 10.71 advised nature of fire. 10.72 report progress on fire. 10.73 smoke report. 10.74 negative. 10.75 in contact with. 10.76 en route. 10.77 ETA or estimated time of arrival. 10.78 need assistance. 1079, notify coroner. 1080, chase in progress. 1081, breathalyzer report. 1082, reserve lodging. 1083, works call cruising at. 1084, if meeting advice ETA. 1085, delay due to. 1086, officer or operator on duty. 1087, pick up or distribute checks. 1088, present telephone off. 1089, bomb threat. 1090, bank alarm at. 1091, pick up prisoner and subject. 1092, improperly parked vehicle. 1093, blockade. 1094, drug racing. 1095, prisoner or subject in custody. 1096, mental subject. 1097, check signal. 1098, prison or jail break. 1099, wanted or stolen indicated. 10101, what is status? 10106, status is secure.